Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
I look tiny.
No.
Okay.
Look. There.
We have to slay.
Okay, we got this.
Let's just not sit on the table.
3, 2.
Good morning, Raiders. Welcome back to the show. Raider Live is proud to bring you all the news and announcements that matter most to you here at the Islands.
I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Brandon.
And I'm Dulce.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Monday, October 7th.
Now, our third part of Ms. Jones' PBIS Monday Motivation, talking about how it's okay to ask for help.
The next one might be harder. Let your teacher help you. Okay? I know we don't always like to ask for help. It's super hard. One of the things I've learned, though, is if we want to be successful, we have to ask for help. We don't know everything yet, and so we have to ask for help. So if your teacher offers to help you, let them. If you need help, maybe take that brave step and ask them for help. So teachers, I'm looking at you now too. Be ready to help them. Okay, realize even if they have done nothing up to this point, they're being super brave and they are asking you for help. So help them. If you're thinking about all of this and you're still not sure where to start, come see me. I'm in room 42. I'm in their lunch, usually fourth period, a little bit after school. If you're not sure where to start as far as building a relationship with school, come see me. We can talk about it. We'll find a place for you to start. Because I want school to be a place that you get to be, not somewhere you have to be. And I'd like to thank Mr. Corona for that thought too. That really stuck with me. So, Raiders, have a good week, show up, listen for that interesting fact, and do your best, even when it's hard. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Jones. How often do you ask for help in class or outside of class?
Raiders, what would you like to see here on the show? Interviews with teachers or students, info on clubs, your sport highlights? Reach out to us at CIHStoday@gmail.com.
Having trouble with using your Minga passes? Remember to be using your passes the correct way.
Welcome back to the show. Upcoming events. Homecoming tickets are on sale until October 17th. Check out ASB's Instagram for more information with the QR code.
Are you guys going to homecoming?
Yes. Are you?
I think I am. Are you?
I think so.
All right, sounds good.
That's good.
Oxnard College will be here to help students fill out their Oxnard College application on October 17th during 3rd and 4th period. Go see Coach Juarez in the College and Career Center located by the main gate.
The boys soccer team is having tryouts. Today is the last day to try out. Interested? Show up to our stadium at 7 p.m. Use the QR code on the screen to sign up.
The C.I.H.S cross-country team is having a pizza night fundraiser at Topper's Pizza on Savers Road on Tuesday from 3:30 to 9 p.m. Take a night off cooking dinner and help cross-country reach their fundraising goal. Please let the person taking your order know that you are participating in the fundraiser.
Sporting news, sports on tap. Here is all your sporting news for the week. Tuesday, the girls of varsity tennis travel to Carpinteria at 3. And then
The ladies of CI volleyball host Santa Paula. Softrush squad takes the court at 4:30, followed by JV at 5:30. Then the girls varsity squad finishes up the night at 6:30. Girls flag football hosts St. Bonnie's at 6 for the JV squad. Then varsity takes the field at 7 p.m.
come out and support our teams.
Seniors, do not be left out. The deadline to be photographed and put in the yearbook is November 1st. Have you taken your photos on Monarch Photography? If you haven't, call the studio at 805-843-4111 ASAP to set up your appointment.
Along with that, the yearbook committee is taking your senior quotes. Use the QR code on screen to submit yours. Make sure to use your school email. Any issues? Come see us in room 93A to submit your senior quote in person.
Now, let's take a look at the new October Wellness Center schedule. Want us to spread the word about your club or event here on the show? Want your photos shown in the Radar mural? Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com.
That is all your news and announcements for today. Make it a great day, Raiders.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.